Welcome to Art at Madhumandan. Here is the part 3 of pencil portrait series of a beautiful old woman. In the previous video, we have seen how to draw the turban towel texture in the detailed way. Now, in this video, I will show you how to draw the black and white hairs. I will share the tricks so that you can draw it in easy way. So watch till the end. Let's get started. Firstly, I am using the pencil indenting technique for white hairs here. For this, pencil indenting stylus is used, but it costs high. I am using the dental instrument, its dental carver, which I have. It will also give the desired effect which I want for hairs. Do it with little pressure and do it slowly, otherwise it may tear the paper. Use of good quality and thick paper is must here. Instead of dental carver, you can also use empty pen or blackhead remover or any plucker or any other instrument which have blunted end. After observing the hairs properly, where the flow of hairs is going on, do in that direction only, because once you do it, you can't change it. Right now it's not visible, but after the pencil work is done, it will give the effect. Now fill this area with medium charcoal pencil first. Now draw the hairs using soft charcoal pencil. Now applying the second layer using the medium charcoal pencil. Now blend this with blending stump and again do the layer of hairs with medium charcoal pencil. Blend it little lightly. Now you will be able to see the white hairs which I have drawn first. Also I am doing some group of white hairs using electric eraser. Now layering with pencil again. The process of layering by layering is followed till the desired effect is achieved. For hairs, use the electric eraser carefully. Let's see quickly on other side. I've already done with pencil indenting technique here. After filling with pencil and blending with blending stump, the white hairs are visible here. Again drawing with the soft charcoal pencil, draw the hairs in the same pattern, like this. Blend it very lightly. This is how the black and white hairs look together. I am showing you the picture with the face and the eye part to have the full effect of our hairs. We'll see the drawing of the eye part in my next video. Hope this video is useful for you. I will try to attempt the drawing of the eyes in my next video. Please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.